exercise. Second question. In this first one, choose the right option and justify your choice. 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees is equals to. Choose correct option in these 4 options. First, A is sin 60 degrees, B is cos 60 degrees, C is tan 30 degrees, D is sine 30 degrees. So, first solve. Tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 2. Tan 45 degrees is equals to 1. Substitute these values in this. 2 into tan 30 degrees is equals to 1 by root 2 by 1 plus tan 45 degrees is equals to 1 is equals to 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 2 and 2 by root 3 and into 2 is equals to this 2 becomes cancelled. We get 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 value is tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3. So option C. In this second one, 1 minus tan square 45 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. Choose these options, right options. We know that tan 45 degree value is 1. So substitute in this 1 minus 1 whole square by 1 plus 1 whole square is equals to 1 minus 1 0. So 0 by anything 0. So right option is D 0. In this third one, 2 tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. Here some options are there. Choose in this one. We know that tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3. This value substitute in this. 2 of 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square is equals to 2 by root 3 by 1 minus, here 1 square is 1, root 3 of whole square. This root and square become cancelled. We have 3. 2 by root 3 by 3 and 1. Take LCM. 3 is multiply with 1. 3 1 is 3. So here 3 minus 1 by 3 is equals to 2 by root 3 by 3 minus 1 2 by 3 is equals to 2 by root 3. This 2 by root 3 take to denominator. So we write like this 3 by 2. This 2 and 2 cancel. We have 3 by root 3 is equals to 3, write like this, root 3 into root 3 by root 3. 1 root 3 and here denominator have a 1 root 3. These 2 are cancelled. We have only root 3. Tan 60 degrees is equals to root 3. So option 3. Tan 60 degrees. In this third one, evaluate sin 60 degrees, cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees, cos 60 degrees. What is the value of sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees? What can you conclude? See here values. We know that values sin 30 degrees is root 3 by 2 and cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. Remember this, sin 60 degrees value is equal to cos 30 degrees. That is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. And sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2. And also cos 30 degree value also 1 by 2. These two terms are equal, sin 60 degrees and cos 30 degrees. And sin 30 degrees is equal to cos 30 degree value. So these values substitute in this equation. And we know this sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is sin 90 degrees. So, sin 90 degree value is 1. Sin 0 value is 0 degrees is 0. Substitute in this equation. Sin 60 degrees root 3 by 2 into cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 degrees 1 by 2 cos 60 degrees 1 by 2. This 2 multiply root 3 into root 3 is equals to 3. 2 into 2 4. So, 3 by 4 plus 1 into 1 1. 2 into 2 4. 1 by 4 is equals to 4. Denominator is 4 and numerator is 3 plus 1 is 4. So, 4 by 4 cancel, we have 1. Here sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equals to sin 90 degrees. What is sin 90 degrees value is 1. So, we conclude that sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equals to, write like this, sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees. In this fourth question, is it right to say that cos 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equals to cos 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees minus sin 60 degrees into sin 30 degrees. We know that these values, first one sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2, cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2. Remember this, these two terms are equal values, sin 60 degrees and cos 30 degree value, both are equal values, and sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2, cos 30 degrees is 1 by 2. These two terms are equal value, and cos 90 degrees is equals to 0 and sin 90 degree value is 1. Here cos 90 degree value is 0. Substitute these values in this equation. Cos 60 degrees 1 by 2, cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2 is minus sin 60 degrees root 3 by 2, sin 30 degrees 1 by 2 is equals to 1 into root 3, 2 into 2, 4 minus root 3 into 1, root 3 by 2 into 2, 4. This plus term and minus term both are cancelled. We have 0. Next, cos 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is cos 90 degrees. What is the value of cos 90 degrees? Is 0. Yes, it is right to say that cos 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is cos 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees. Write like this, cos 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees minus sin 60 degrees into sin 30 degrees. In this fifth question, in a right angle triangle PQR. PQR is right angle triangle. Right angle is at Q and PQ is equals to 6 centimeters. PQ is equal to 6 centimeters. Angle RPQ is equals to 60 degrees. Determine the lengths of QR and PR. Now here given, let PQR is a right angle triangle and PQ value is 6 centimeters. Angle RPQ is equals to 60 degrees. So, angle RPQ is angle at P. Angle P is equals to 60 degrees. Here tan 60 degrees, tan P of 60 degrees. Here given 60 degrees. So, substitute here tan 60 degrees is opposite of angle P, that is QR by adjacent side of angle P, that is PQ, is equals to tan 60 degrees value is root 3 is equals to QR by, we know that PQ value is 6 centimeters. Substitute here. Now we want QR value. QR is equals to, this 6 goes to this side. So 6 into root 3. QR value is 6 into root 3. Next, we want this side PR. So sin 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees. Sin P is adjacent side of angle P by hypotenuse. So sin 60 degrees is equals to QR by PR. QR value is 6 root 3. Sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2 is equals to QR value is 6 root 3 by PR. Now we want PR. So PR is take to this side. PR is equals to 6 root 3 into this root 3 by 2 take to this side. It will become 2 by root 3 and this root 3 and root 3 cancel. 6 into 2 is equals to 12. So PR is 12 centimeters. The length of QR is 6 root 3 centimeters and the length of PR is 12 centimeters. In this sixth question, in triangle XYZ, right angle at Y, YZ is equals to X and XZ is equals to 2X. Then determine angles, angle YXZ, find the angle at X, and angle YZX, here find the angle at Z. Now let XYZ is a right angle triangle. Here given YZ is equals to X, XZ is equals to 2X and angle at Y is equals to 90 degrees. By using Pythagoras theorem, xz square is equals to xy square plus yz square. Now we want here xy square. So xy square is equals to xz square and this term take to here, get minus yz square is equals to, what is xz value is 2x, substitute here 2x whole square minus yz value is x, substitute here x square is equals to 2 2s are 4 and x square, 4x square minus x square. 4x square minus x square is equal to 3x square. This is yx square. Now we want xy value. Xy is equals to root of 3x square. Here root 3, this x square, square and root cancel. So x. Xy value is root 3x. From triangle XYZ, now we know the three side values. Now we find angles at x and z. From triangle XYZ, here tan x. What is tan x? What is tan theta? Opposite side angle by adjacent side of angle. What is here opposite side is yz by adjacent side is xy. Yz value is x and xy value is root 3 into x is equal to this x and this x cancel. We have 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is tan 60 degrees. So here angle YXZ is equal to 30 degrees. Here x angle is 30 degrees. Now we want Z, angle at Z. So tan Z is equals to opposite side of angle xy and adjacent side of angle yz. So xy by yz, xy value is root 3 into x. Substitute. And yz value is x. So this numerator x and denominator x cancel. We have root 3. Root 3 is tan 60 degrees. So angle yzx is 60 degrees. Angle at z is 60 degrees. Now we know that angle yxz is 30 degrees and angle yzx is 60 degrees. In this 7th question, is it right to say that sin a plus b is equals to sin a plus sin b? Justify your answer. No, it is not right to say that. See, this equation is correct? No, it is not possible. Sin a plus b is equals to sin a plus sin b? No. For example, let triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Angle A is equals to 30 degrees. Angle B is equals to 60 degrees. So, sin 30 degrees is equals to 1 by 2. Sin 60 degrees is equals to root 3 by 2. Here sin 30 degrees plus 60 degrees is equals to sin 90 degrees is equals to 1. Sin 90 degrees value is 1. Here sin 30 degrees plus sin 60 degrees. Sin 30 degrees value is 1 by 2 and sin 60 degrees value is root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 is equals to, denominator is common 2. Here 1 plus root 3 numerator. We write root 3 plus 1 by 2. See, these two are equal? No, this is not equal. Sin 90 degree value is 1, but sin 30 degrees plus sin 60 degrees value is root 3 plus 1 by 2. So, sin of 30 degrees plus 60 degrees is not equal to sin 30 degrees plus sin 60 degrees. Therefore, sin a plus b is not equal to sin a plus sin b. Now, listen these formulas. Sin 90 degrees minus a is equals to cos a. Sin 90 minus a, cos a. And cos 90 degrees minus a is equals to sin a. Sin 90 degrees minus a is equals to cos a. Cos 90 degrees minus a is equals to sin a. And tan 90 degrees minus a is equals to cot a. And cot 90 degrees minus a is equals to tan a. Next, sec 90 degrees minus a is equals to cosec a. And cosec 90 degrees minus a is equals to sec a. Remember these formulas. Now, exercise 11.3. In this first one, evaluate tan 36 degrees by cot 54 degrees. Tan 30 degrees by cot 54 degrees is equals to, now solving. How to solve? Tan 36 degrees by cot 90 minus 36 is equals to 54. So, we are writing like this, 90 minus 36. This, see here, cot 90 minus a is equals to tan a. Here, cot 90 degrees minus 36 become tan. Cot converted to tan. So, tan 36 degrees. Tan 36 degrees by tan 36 degrees become cancel. We get 1. Next one. Second one in this. Cos 12 degrees minus sin 78 degrees. cos 12 degrees minus 7 sin 90 minus 12 is 78. So sin 90 minus a is cos a. So sin 90 minus 12 cos 12. Here cos 12 plus cos 12 minus cos 12 is 0. In this third one, cosec 31 degrees minus sec 59 degrees. Cosec 31 degrees minus sec 59 degrees. This 59 degrees converted to 90 minus a. So 90 minus 31 is 59. So we can write like this. Cosec 31 degrees minus sec 90 minus 31 degrees. Cosec 31 degrees minus sec 90 degrees minus a is cosec a. So here a is 31 degrees. Cosec 31 degrees. Cosec 31 degrees minus cosec 31 degrees is 0. Next, fourth one. Sin 15 degrees sec 75 degrees. This 75 degrees is converted to 90 minus a. So 90 minus 15 is 75. Sin 15 degrees into sec 90 minus 15. Sin 15 degrees sec 90 minus a cosec a. So here a is 15. Cosec 15 degrees. Sin 15 degrees. Cosec, how to write in sin form? 1 by sin 15 degrees is equals to cosec a. Cosec 15 degrees. So we are write like this, 1 by sin 15 degrees. These two cancel, we get 1. Next, fifth one. Tan 26 degrees into tan 64 degrees. This 64 degrees converted to 90 minus a. 90 minus 26 is 64. So tan 26 degrees into tan 90 minus 26. Tan 26 into tan 90 minus a is cot a. So here a is 26 degrees. Cot 26 degrees. Tan 26 degrees. Cot converted to tan form. So cot a is equal to 1 by tan a. 1 by tan 26 degrees. These two cancel. We get 1. In this second one, show that tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 74 degrees is equals to 1. Tan 48 degrees, tan 16 degrees. This 42 is converted to 90 minus theta. So tan 90 minus 48 is 90 minus 48 is 42. Next, tan 90 minus 16, tan 74. Tan 48 degrees, tan 16 degrees. Tan 90 minus a is tan a, cot a. So cot 48 degrees. Tan 90 minus a is cot a, cot 16 degrees. Tan 48 degrees. This cot 48 degrees, tan 16 degrees, cot 16 degrees. Tan 48 degrees. This cot is converted in tan form. We can write 1 by tan 48 degrees into tan 16 degrees into 1 by tan 16. This cot 16 is right like this, 1 by tan 16. These two are cancelled and these two are cancelled. We get 1. This is proved. Here tan 48 degrees, tan 16 degrees, tan 42 degrees and tan 74 degrees is equals to 1 is proved. Next, second one, cos 36 degrees, cos 54 degrees minus sin 36 degrees, sin 54 degrees is equals to 0. Here cos 90 minus 54 is 36. So write like this, cos 54, cos 90 minus 36 minus sin 36, sin 54. Here cos is cos 90 minus a, so sin a, sin 54. Cos 90 minus a, cos A, sin 36 minus sin 36 sin 54. Here sin 36 sin 54 minus sin 36 into sin 54 is equal to 0. This equation also proved. In this third question, if tan 2a is equals to cot of a minus 18 degrees, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Let tan 2a is equals to cot of a minus 18 degrees. This tan 2a write in cot form. So cot of 90 degrees minus 2a is equals to cot of a minus 18 degrees. These two cot are cancelled. We have 90 minus 2a is equals to a minus 18. 90. This minus 18 take to here plus 18 is equals to a minus 2 take to this side, so plus 2a. 3a is equals to 108. A is equals to 108 by this 3, take this side by 3 is equals to 3. 3 is a and 3 6 are 18. So a is equals to 36. The value of a is 36 degrees. Next, in this fourth question, if tan A is equals to cot A, cot B, if tan A is equals to cot B, where A and B are acute angles, prove that A plus B is equals to 90 degrees. And given tan A is equals to cot A. This tan A write in cot form. So cot of 90 degrees minus A is equals to cot B. These two cot are cancelled. 90 degrees minus A is equals to B. So 9 A take to here A plus A. So A plus B is equals to 90 degrees. This is proved. In this fifth question, if A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that tan A plus B by 2 is equal to cot C by 2. Here, let A, B and C are interior angles of right angle triangle ABC. A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. We know that this three angles is equals to 180 degrees. A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. So we divide both sides with 2. A plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equals to 180 by 2. This 2 9s are 80, 18, so 0, 90. 290 is a 180, so 90 degrees. A plus B by 2 is equals to 90 degrees. This C plus C by 2 take to this side minus C by 2. Take tan ratio on both sides. Tan ratio on both sides. Tan of A plus B by 2 is equals to tan of 90 degrees minus C by 2. Tan A plus B by 2 is equals to tan 90 minus A, cot A. Here A is C by 2. So cot C by 2. This is proved. Tan A plus B by 2 is equals to cot C by 2. Next, in this sixth one, express sin 75 degrees plus cos 65 degrees in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 degrees and 45 degrees. 0 degrees and 45 degrees. So this 75, how to write? 90 degrees minus 15 degrees, we get 75. And 65 degrees converted to 90 degrees minus 25 degrees. 90 minus 25, 65. Sine of 90 degrees minus 15 degrees plus cos of 90 degrees minus 25. So, sin 90 minus A, cos A. So, cos A is 15 degrees, cos 15 degrees plus cos 90 degrees minus A, sin A. So, here A is 25, sin 25 degrees. Between the ratios, see, 0 degrees and 45 degrees between 15 and 25 degrees. Now, exercise 11.4. See this important formulas. Sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. And sec square A minus tan square A is equals to 1 for 0 degrees less than A less than 90 degrees. Cosec square A minus cot square A is equals to 1 for 0 degrees less than A less than 90 degrees. Remind these three formulas. In this exercise 4, first question, evaluate the following: 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta. This tan, write like this: 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus secant theta, write like this: 1 by cos theta into 1 plus cot theta is cos theta by sin theta and cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. Here take LCM is cos theta. Cos theta is multiplied with 1. So cos theta sin theta plus 1 by cos theta. Here take LCM sin theta. So sin is multiplied with 1, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Here sin theta plus cos theta plus 1 by cos theta and sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta. See this denominators 2 are multiplied, sin theta and cos theta. See here numerator a plus b minus a minus b. See this, a is here sin theta plus cos theta, b is 1. A plus b into a minus b. So, a square minus b square. A is here sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus b is 1 whole square by sin theta into cos theta is equals to a plus b whole square. Formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here a is sin theta, b is cos theta. Sin square b, sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Here sin square a plus cos square a is equals to 1. So this formula substitute here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 plus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Here plus 1 and minus 1 are cancelled. 2 sin theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. These two are cancelled. We get 2. Therefore, 1 plus tan theta plus sec theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosec theta is equals to 2. In this second one, sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. So, a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. A plus b formula is, a plus b whole square formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. And A minus b whole square formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a is sin theta, b is cos theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square is sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. So substitute here plus 2 sin theta into cos theta plus sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. Substitute here minus sin minus 2 sin theta into cos theta. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus into plus 1 plus into minus 2 sin theta into cos theta. These two terms are cancelled. Plus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 2 sin theta into cos theta. These two terms are cancelled. We have 1 plus 1 is 2. Therefore, sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square is equals to 2. In this third one, secant square theta minus 1 into cosec square theta minus 1. Secant square theta minus 1, cosec square theta minus 1. We know these formulas. Secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta and cosec square theta minus 1 is equals to cot square theta. So this formula substitute here, tan square theta into cot square theta is equals to tan square theta. This cot write in this form tan. So 1 by tan square theta. These two are cancelled. We get 1. In this second one, show that cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equals to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to, write like this. What is cosec theta? 1 by sin theta. And cot theta is cos theta by sin theta whole square. Take denominator sin theta. 1 minus cos theta whole square is equals to, here separate numerator and denominator, 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 0. So sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Substitute here 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. This one write like this, by 1 minus cos square theta. The sin square theta substituting here. Next 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by, this is a square minus b square form. So a plus b into a minus b. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. This numerator and denominator are same, so cancel. We have 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So it is proved. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. In this third one, show that root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is equals to sec a plus tan a. Here 1 under root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a is multiplied with under root of 1 plus sin a by 1 plus sin a. Will become cancel. So we take for solving this equation, under root of, this is 1 plus sin a into 1 plus sin a. So 1 plus sin a whole square by a square, a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square, 1 square minus sin square a is equals to under root of 1 plus sin a whole square by 1 1 square minus 1 minus sin square A is equals to cos square A. So substituting here cos square A is equals to this square and root cancel. We have 1 plus sin A by cos A is equals to 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. 1 by cos A is sec A and plus sin A by cos A is tan A. So it is proved. Therefore, under root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equals to sec A by sec A plus tan A. In this fourth one, show that 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 is equals to tan square A. 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 is equals to 1 minus tan square A by this cot square A, write in tan form. So 1 by tan square A minus 1 is equals to 1 minus tan square A by this tan square A, take denominator, so this tan square A is multiplied with this one. So 1 minus tan square A by tan square A is equals to 1 minus tan square A by 1 minus this term take to numerator. So tan square A by 1 minus tan square A. These two terms are cancelled. We have tan square A. This is proved. 1 minus tan square A by cot square A minus 1 is equals to tan square A. Next, fifth one. Show that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equals to tan theta into sin theta. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equals to this cos theta is take to denominator. So this cos theta is multiplied with cos theta. So 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta is equals to, see this is formula, 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. So in this substituting sin square theta by cos theta. How to write that sin square theta? Sin theta into sin theta by cos theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta is into sin theta. So sin theta by cos theta is tan theta into sin theta. This is also proved. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta is equals to tan theta into sin theta. Now sixth question. Simplify sec A of 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A. Sec A of 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A. Here sec A is multiplied with this sec A into 1 sec A minus sec A into sin A, sec A into sin A into sec A plus tan A. Sec A minus, how to write this sec A? 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A into sin A. So sin A by cos A into sec A plus tan A. Sec A into sin A by cos A, tan A into sec A plus tan A. See this equation. Sec A minus tan A into sec A plus tan A minus B into A plus B. So A square minus B square. Sec square A minus tan square A. This is a formula. Sec square A minus tan square A is equals to 1. So in this substitute 1. Sec A into 1 minus sin A into sec A plus tan A is equals to 1. In this seventh question, prove that sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equals to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Solution: sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. Now sin A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. Write like this: sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 sin A into cosec A plus, this is also write like that, cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A into sec A, sin square A plus cosec square A plus 2 sin A into cosec A. How to write in sin form? Cosec A is equals to 1 by sin A. So here write cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A into sec A is equals to 1 by cos A. Substituting here. Next, sec square A, sin square A plus cosec square A plus these two are cancelled. We have 2 plus cos square A plus sec square A plus 2, that cos A by cos A are cancelled. We have 2. Next, sin square A. This cosec square A is equals to 1 plus cot square A. Formula: cosec square A is equals to 1 plus cot square A. Substituting in this place, cosec square A is equals to 1 plus cot square A plus 2 plus cos square A plus sec square A is equals to 1 plus tan square A plus 2 sin square A cos square A plus cot square A plus tan square A. This one plus this one plus 2 plus 2. Here sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1 plus this 2, 2, 1, 1. Add 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So plus 6 plus tan square A plus cot square A. 1 plus 7, 1 plus 6, 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This is proved. Therefore, sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equals to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. In this 8th question, simplify 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta. Now, this is, see this two terms, 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta is 1 a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square. 1 square minus cos square theta into 1 plus cot square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Formula: sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. So here 1 minus cos square theta is equals to sin square theta. And 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta is equals to sin square theta. How to write this cosec square theta into sin square theta? Cosec square theta is equals to 1 by sin square theta. So sin square theta by sin square theta, these two terms are cancelled. We get 1. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cot square theta is equals to 1. Next, 9. If sec theta plus tan theta is equals to 1 p, then what is the value of sec theta minus tan theta? Sec theta plus tan theta is equals to p. We know that sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Sec theta minus tan theta, a square minus b square form. This is in a square minus b square form. So a plus b into a minus b. This is formula. Now we are taking formula here. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is right like this. Sec theta minus tan theta into sec theta plus tan theta is equals to 1. So sec theta minus tan theta here given, sec theta plus tan theta is equals to p. So substituting here is equals to 1. Now we want sec theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by p. This 10th question, if cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to k, then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Here cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k given. We know that this formula cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So this formula converted to this form, cosec theta minus cot theta into cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. We know this value cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to k. So substituting here, cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. This is first equation and this is second equation. Add these two equations, cosec theta, two cosec theta, cot theta minus cot theta. So these two are cancelled. 2 cosec theta is equal to k plus 1 by k is equals to, take denominator LCM. So k square plus 1 by k. 2 cosec theta is equal to k square plus 1 by k. Cosec theta is equals to k square plus 1 by this, take this 2, take to this side. So 2k is equal to, in this, what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sine. So sine theta is equal to 2k by k square plus 1. Divide equations 1 and 2. Cosec theta minus cosec theta, these two terms are here cancelled. Cot theta minus into minus plus, so cot theta plus cot theta, 2 cot theta is equal to k minus 1 by k is equals to, here take denominator is k square minus 1 by k. Cot theta is equal to k square minus 1 by this 2, take to here 2k. Cos theta is equals to cot theta into sin theta. Now we want cos theta. So cos theta is equal to cot theta into sin theta. Here sin theta value is there and cot theta value is there. Now we want cos theta. So cos theta is equal to cot theta into sin theta is equal to, cot theta value is k square minus 1 by 2k into sin theta is 2k by k square plus 1. This 2k and this 2k cancel. We have k square plus minus 1 by k plus 1. This is proved. Cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1.